Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the pricing table section. This section allows you to showcase product options, bundles, packages, or service tiers in a clear, side-by-side comparison layout. It's perfect for helping customers quickly understand differences and choose the best option for their needs. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the pricing table section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the pricing table section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings, then open Professional Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the pricing table section. To add it, click Add Section. Search for Pricing Table and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the pricing table section will be displayed: desktop, mobile, and both. Use container size to control how wide the pricing table section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. You can choose the number of columns on desktop from 3 columns up to 6 columns, allowing you to control how many pricing plans appear side by side on larger screens. You can also choose the number of columns on mobile from 1 column up to 2 columns. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns, designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. Choose None to hide the background pattern or explore a variety of styles, including curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. From subtle geometric textures to bold decorative designs, each pattern brings its own distinctive character to help you create the perfect look for your storefront. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allowing for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity, with values ranging from 1% to 100% to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. Under Enable Slider, you can choose where the pricing table will be displayed. Both devices slider will be visible on desktop and mobile. Desktop-only slider will appear only on computers and laptops. Mobile-only slider will appear only on phones and tablets. None slider will not appear anywhere effectively hidden. When autoplay is enabled, the slider scrolls automatically. Adjust the autoplay speed to control how fast it moves. Enable loop to make the slider continuously cycle. Show dots enables navigation dots below the slider for easy slide switching. Show arrows enables left and right arrows for smooth navigation between slides. For styling, select Arrow Color as either Inherit to use your theme's default color or Custom to choose your own. You can also set a custom arrow color and a custom arrow background color for complete design control. Use Arrow Position to control where the navigation arrows appear. Middle. Arrows appear on the center left and center right sides of the slider. Bottom. Arrows appear lower on the slider area, aligned toward the bottom. Match the pricing table section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over section appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can enhance your section with blocks such as advanced double button, caption, description, double button, icon, icon with text, image, single button, subtitle, and title. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your layout. You can add a block and select the plan block. You can enter the block name, which is used for internal identification. Do not modify it unnecessarily, as it may lead to visual issues with widget naming. Next, you can enter your badge title. This is typically used to highlight special labels. You can also enter your plan title, which represents the name of the pricing tier. Match the pricing plan block to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, custom. Custom allows you to create your own color palette for full control over the block before and after appearance, ensuring each pricing plan aligns perfectly with your brand identity. You add a block and set up your plan table using multiple content blocks such as description, icon, image, price, single button, subtitle, title. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your pricing table layout and content presentation. And that's it. Your pricing table section is now ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.